Good morning guys. Good morning sa tanan. Good morning to everyone. So today we're going to fix my old lumang luggage bag, traveling bag. Napunit lang siya, nabisi ang zipper part niya. So today we're going to fix it. Going to fix my bag. This is my favorite luggage bag ever. And this is the side. This is the brand also. And this is we're gonna fix it. This one. And this bag is almost 6 years for me. So we're gonna fix this. Repair this one. Repair. Napunit lang siya kasi ito ang sira niya. Ito ang sira. Damage. And it's color gray. So we're gonna use color gray na thread. And one scissor. And one needle. That's it. So, we're gonna fix this one, right? Sayang naman kasi itapon. O magtapon na ang gamit na pwede pang pakinabangan. Diba? So, we're gonna fix this one. I'm just this. So, nasa bahay lang tayo. And we're making a productive day to be a good day to everyone. Good morning para sa inyo. And I'm going to start to fix it now because sirang-sira, very sira na siya. So we're going to fix this one yet. This is it. I'm going to start here, where I'm going to start to fix here. Oh my god. Ito lang guys. Huy. Look. This is it. Sorry. Ito lang siya. Lagay ko siya dito para makita mo. Ng mga EmzieMorena. Okay. This is it. So we start here. Oh my gosh. Just wanna cut this one. Putulin lang natin to kasi disturbo. And this is it. Let's start to repair my luggage bag. Excuse me. Yeah, pwede pa guys, pwede pa natin ito ma-repair. Is it like this? Boom. Diba parehas lang ang kulay. Thanks. We are so be resourceful. And if pwede pa ma-repair, pwede pa. Go lang. Go. Repair it and use it again. Sayang naman itapon, di ba? Gift to ni Dayan sa akin 6 years ago. Away ko. Ouch. Gift ng best friend ko sa Saudi. Si Dayan. Hi Dayan. If you're watching my video, please, I missed you. Uy, galing. Ang galing guys. Galing, ang galing. Hindi pa nga tapos. We're not done, so it takes time to heal the broken heart. It takes time to repair this luggage bag. Takes time. So, dyan ka muna. Ilagay muna kita dyan. And focus tayo sa pagtatahi. Oh my god. Oh. Just trust na ma-fix natin. Just trust it and believe yourself. Believe it in yourself. We can fix this and prepared. Ang luggage bag. Importante kasi yan. Wherever you go, it brings you complete. It brings you complete. Wherever you go, it makes you complete. Right. Tama lang. So we'll try to use this zipper first. If it's Wait. Yay! Yahoo! Naayos naman siya. Dito pa lang tayo guys. Mahaba pa ang linya. Ayusin natin. Diba? Sorted! Yahoo! Yahoo! And once again, this is EmzieMorena. So, when you traveled, just be prepared everything before your flight is everything. Ayusin lang muna natin to kasi sayang. Basta regalo, special gift. Diba kailangan ingatan, kailangan i-treasure natin. Go lang, basta maayos to. Sakit, ouch. Wow, we're so good. We're so good so far. We're so good so far. Wow, English na. Yahoo! Manipis lang kasi ang cover niya. Ito guys, manipis lang. Manipis lang siya. Nasira lang to. Siguro nung stop over ako sa where is that? Basta nakalimutan ko na yun. Ngayon lang natin napag-isipan na i-repair siya kasi na-busy lang ang inyong EmzieMorena. Yeah guys, so and you? Kayo ba? How do you repair your nasirang bag? What's your plan? What's your ideas? If you will throw it away or just fix it or repaired like what I'm doing right now. Sayang magtapo ng gamit, diba? Kung pwede pa ma-fix. Like relationship, if you have a broken relationship na and if you're trying to fix it, do it. Just believed that it will be fixed and repaired through your sincerity. I really love this bag, guys. Really special for me. And ayaw ko nang bumili ng panibagong bag kasi wala naman akong pera. We don't have money. Wala naman akong pera ipambili. So, I have no work. Let's just repair these things. Diba? Okay sa alright. Okay sa alright. Ang init na. I like my headband. It's color pink also. And yun. Ala, ang tagal pala nito. And what's your plan today, guys? What is your weekend? Also weekend planned. So today here it's like nimbus clouds. It is 20 temperature right now, so we're hoping the whole weekend will be sunny, walang ulan, diba? And soon it will be done, this one, guys. So we're gonna update you as things if it's done, and that's it. Sana matapos na natin to. Tapusin natin to today, okay? See you. Gipaningot in town si EmzieMorena, and update from my bag is luggage bag is we're almost done. We're almost done fixing. I repaired my luggage bag. Guys, look at this. Ito na lang, and we're done. Gonna fix it, this one, so we can use it again, diba? Tsaka muna, and I will fix you, and within 2 minutes we are done. Within 2 minutes 2 minutes more, or 1 minute, we will be done. Gonna repair this soon. We will be finished. Oh my god. Look at this. Kailangan ko pa ng hilo. Kailangan ko pa to kasi nga ikli lang siya, small. But I will do it now. Paano ba to? Ay. Pasok ka. Yahoo. Inside. I don't know. Ilak ko muna siya, diba? Ilak ko muna to bago ako magdugtong ng panibago. Ilak ko. Naku, mali. I don't know, guys. Ito lang kung tingnan natin. Yan. Ano na? Ilak ko muna siya. Another lock. Lock natin siya para siya hindi siya wala. Matanggal tuloy. Kung kailan pang patapos, yun pa siya ang nigara. So when you fix this, when you fix something, you need to do more efforts, lots of efforts, even in broken relationship. So you can do something more in it, guys. Ano siya? Sana okay. Ay, hindi pa pala. Tingnan na natin to. And this one, ang dami. Sayang ka. And kamusta naman ang inyong Friday day? Kamusta ha? Okay doki. Pasok natin to. Ipasok. Naku, mahina ako nito, guys. Ay, naku, malabo kasi mata ko. Malabo ang mata ko. Ay, naku, ay pasok. Pasok siya. Tapos din natin to. Everything will be done if you have a greater efforts to exert about your things you want to do. So do it. Ang drama ko. Meron na note. Ito na lang, guys. Small one. Kanti na lang siya, maayos na. Diba? Ito na lang na side. Matatapos din to. Let's do it. Oh my God. Sana matapos na ikaw. And pwede na natin to magamit soon. Pwede na siya magamit. And bawal na maglagay ng mabigat like laptop. Any heavy things cannot be put in back here in my luggage bag kasi it will totally broken. Totally hindi na siya magamit. Pero mahal kasi ang magpa-change ng bagong magpa-repair dito sa shop. Mahal guys. So that's why I am doing my effort to make it this time to repair my favorite luggage bag. So guys, we're done. Last one please. Okay, we're done. Yahoo! Wow, we made it. EmzieMorena. Thanks guys for watching my video and for always there for me. Basta wag magtapon ng gamit na pwede pang pakinabangan, or you can repair or fix lang ng fix para maayos ang lahat. Di man siya perfect, but it's worth it. Di man siya perfect, basta worth it. Okay. Yahoo! Tama na to kasi pag ano na, grabe na siya. Dito lang ang side ang hindi natin maayos. This one guys, pero okay na to, diba? At least we made it. We're done. Aray ko. Lock lang natin siya para hindi siya makawala. Lock natin ng maayos. I-lock natin. Sinong gustong pa-repair, may mga ipapa-repair dyan, just call me and I'll be there. It's for free. Basta okay lang. Basta sulit. So we're done. We're done. Yahoo! We're done, guys. So done. Oh my god. Good. Bad or good? It's good. Yahoo! This is it. The finished one. The finished product. I repaired it. So, good naman. Solid. Thanks for watching. Be good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.